do. Now y'all know I don't know how to do my makeup, right? But I do know how to do some stuff. I know how to do, like, you know, a little bit of foundation, lashes, brows. What else? Just a little bit of stuff up. Now all that contouring and contouring, I don't know how to do. But I'm gonna try to put maybe a little BB cream or foundation on today. I don't have much time, so it basically depends. I'm gonna try. Like I said, this is rushed. I'm new to this. I don't know how to do makeup, but this is Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot Brightening Eclair. And this is this. I'm putting some of this on my face. I noticed I have dark marks. I haven't been doing my face mask how I normally do. And so I'm gonna start doing those again. I always used to do it, but lately, I don't know, since COVID came, things just changed up for me. Like a lot of things. All I worry about now is just making money.
Give me your fucking money!
I really haven't been giving two flying fucks how I've been looking. But yeah, so do I want to put BB cream on? Foundation. Let's just do the eyelashes first. I packed up the stuff that I use daily. So I'm just basically working with what's out. I have a container, several containers of makeup that I do not have time to go through. I should have planned this a little early. But we just gonna do this the best way we know how. Where is my lash brush? Okay. My skin had a rough winter. It is very dry. I don't know who that is texting me. But right now is not the time. Okay. See, I don't even know where my scissors are. I found it, y'all. And these lashes is one of the lashes I sell on my website. Can y'all see that? These are one of the lashes. Let me try to hold it a little better. That I sell on my website. I believe these might be Desire, but I will check and make sure that the right name is in the description. In case anybody's interested. And sorry about my fingers, I know they're ashy. This might be a little too long. Yeah, it's too long. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a little bit. You know, when you put lashes on, you gotta size them to fit your eye. Just cut from the outer corner. Cut from the outer corner of the lash. Oh man, this ain't even the glue that I use. Oh wait. Is this? Yeah, this is glue. So how long it been, y'all? I don't even know which is which. This might not even be glue. It might be eyeliner. Let's see. This is eyeliner. My God. Why? I just don't understand why would I put my stuff up. I don't know why would I put my stuff away. I know I wasn't using it, but to just put it away like that. Sheesh. So I'm just gonna, if anything, apply the lashes and that's it. If I make it out of work early enough, I can pick up where I started off. Oh God. Me rushing to put lashes on is never a good thing. And the creases that I like, of course they're not in here. That wasn't bad, but it keeps sticking right here. Okay, here's the wash. I promise to never do this again. Ever. Ever, never, never, ever, ever. Cut this side. Okay. I really hate cutting the ends off, but unfortunately you have to. Like, it takes away from the extra fluff. I have 2 clients. I should try to vlog. I haven't vlogged in this new shop. All I do is take pictures of the work after I'm done. Yeah, I could have left that in on you. Little upset about that. Sometimes it be too many people in there and I don't want to like just be recording. Everybody don't like being on camera, so I try to be mindful. Depending on who's there and what angle everybody's sitting, that man may not vlog. It's time for these braids to come out. Honey. I like this mirror. My son got me this little vanity mirror. It's a small one, but they play music. It has the lights and everything. I like it. Way better than the pocket mirror I was using. Oh, I feel like I'm messing up already. Come on, good. Cut this one too short. If I had put the liner on, you wouldn't really be able to notice. See, I was trying to talk and do this, but it's just not working out that way. Yeah, so this one is shorter. What time is it? Still think. I could do my eyebrows. So right here, I'm just using some BB cream. No foundation, just BB. I need to find the right shades. These shades that I have. Yeah. Oh, this one. It's like a winter shade. You know our skin get darker. And this is, I forgot, the Maybelline Dream BB 130, a medium deep sheer tint. I don't have nothing, I think this shade the shade I normally use is, what is that? Gosh, I can't remember. What is that? I can't even think of the name. It comes in a black tube. NARS. I'm doing something wrong, y'all. Remember, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm doing something wrong. Remember, I don't know what I'm doing. So feel free to just, you know, be a friend. Help me out in the comment section. Like, hey, bitch, you're doing this wrong. I would really appreciate it. It's like, just trying to mix it. I haven't used it so long. It started separating. Wow, the glue was right here the whole time. Let me see. I don't feel like looking for the pomades or anything, so we're just gonna go over the brow with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Nothing crazy. I probably look like Casper, the friendly bitch. Could have did a little bit more with these brows, but they are just going to have to work. Right, these brows ain't twins, but they're related, goddammit. Second cousins. They ain't twins, but they I think they cousins or stepsisters. I'm not gonna put anything like eyeliner. I'm not gonna put none of that stuff on. No eyeliner, nothing like that. I'm hot already. Oh my God. Who's that white woman? Who's that white woman?